Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are well. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can view the Wi-Fi password from your Windows 10 PC. So if you think that you forgot your password of your Wi-Fi, then you can view your password from Windows 10. So for that, firstly you have to go to Control Panel. Okay, after coming to the Control Panel, make sure that your option has View by category. Okay, then click on Network and Internet. Okay, then click on Network and Sharing Center. Okay, here you will see an option called Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi. Okay, then click on Wireless Properties. Okay, then here you can see an option called Security. Here is your password. If you want to show it, sorry, I deleted it in Wireless Property. Okay, then press on Security. If you want to view it, then check this show characters option. Here is your Wi-Fi password. So thank you, thanks for watching.